Welcome back to another episode of Maintenance with Mike. So this week on Maintenance with Mike, in a previous video, we did a repair on the Homelite Super 2 SL. We're going to test this out today. We're going to fire it up. I'm just going to sharpen up the chain, and we're going to cut up a couple branches. I did some pruning here recently, so we're going to cut up a couple small branches, and then we'll head up the property. And I cut some rounds from a cedar that we had fall down over the winter. The rounds are a bit long to fit in the fireplace, so we're gonna be able to buck off like a bit of a 2 or 3 inch cookie off of probably a 12 or 16 inch round. So that'll give it a good test to see if it'll eat through that as well. So little tip that I learned from Brian at Retired for Life and Kenny at Open Air Adventure is I keep my files now for my chain wrapped in a rag, because in most saw cases I always see oil or bar oil in the case, and you don't want the files sitting in oil. Apparently it's the fastest way to ruin a file is to get it saturated in oil. So let's get the chain sharpened up. It's a bit cold here this morning. Okay, so for this little saw here, this one has this little for choke, all the way up this choke. I put it all the way up to the top until it sputters, and then I click it down one and let it warm up, and then I turn the choke right off. So all the way up on run. Oh, sputtered already. Oh. There, down one now. Not bad. Okay, so that's about a 11 inch round. We're gonna try the saw on that. Now this is not the world's most powerful saw. It's only, not too sure what the cc's is in it, but it's pretty small. And it's not really made for large wood, but should cut this no problem. So that completes the repair of the Homelite Super 2 SL. The bar stud fixed. I think we've proven that the repair is good. The saw lacks power for sure, but it's not really designed for, you know, big logs or stuff like that. But just wanted to show you it can for a homeowner. You know, you could cut 10-inch, 11-inch, 12-inch, maybe in a pinch with some time. But yeah, it's working great, running great. It likes the new air cleaner, and probably could replace the chain. The chain is kind of getting worn out. I keep sharpening it, but I think a chain replacement would make a big difference. I appreciate you hanging out with us for a bit today. If you like these videos, maybe consider subscribing to the channel, share them with a family member or friend, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.